The conversation is back on. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brian at Whisper Status 74. You are looking at a Vizio Quantum X 75P series in store. Now, I had come in today into a random Costco, which isn't so close to my house. It's the smaller one, not the highest end one, and I came in to actually get rid of my card. And then I came in and actually saw it. It does look amazing in store. Now, in store doesn't mean a whole lot, but I am impressed with the way it looks. What's more impressive to me is a Quantum Dot 75-inch display for $21.99. That's the lowest that has been. It does look very good. Now, the hopes for this display were not to be as good as the 950G. The hopes were to surpass and be in line with the Q90R, the Q80, as last year's Quantum was toe-to-toe with the Q9FN, which is one of the best LEDs ever made. The reviews put a lot of us off due to gradients and some of the motion things that we've talked about. Now, for me, a lot of that might be fixed in settings, but I was not willing to take a chance on them with another retailer. Now, they don't take Amex here, but that's definitely a realistic price. And key, guys, for Costco versus all the other retailers is 90 days. 90 up to 95 is what the guy told me at the front. No fault, cash back. They don't care. You don't even need to have the box. That is what I was looking for 3 months ago. I know you guys are sick of talking about it, but if this thing is as good as it can be, I think it got killed in the media. I started killing it because they just weren't here. Now, I'm renting an OLED for the next month. I'm picking that up today, but I think I am going to purchase this in the next few days. 90 days, there's absolutely no risk. Take it home, I can bring it back here, and we can see what it can do. Now, depending on your financial situation, what's key about these brands and why I wanted to champion them is that if you do buy a display, that's all relative, guys, but if you spend $7,000 on a display, that's your last display, maybe forever. You spend a few thousand or $1,000, or if you get a 65-inch version of this, or a TCL or a Hisense, the good thing about it is you're not done forever. The buyer's remorse shrinks. If this display is not perfect at $21.99 in comparison to the higher-end displays, then we can live with that. But I am very pleased to see it here. It has revitalized my excitement for it. I am excited again. And it looks pretty damn good in store, can't lie. Black level looks nice. Again, it's hard to tell. It looks very vibrant. Very similar, if not exactly the same as last year's Quantum. It is a pretty sleek design. Costco, 90 days, no fault. No excuses. You don't like it, you don't care about it, take it back. You can actually rent it in a way for 90 days if you really think about it. Though I don't encourage doing that. But it looks pretty good. Now, what are we getting for this? We're looking for higher dims, higher peak brightness, Dolby Vision, and Quantum Dot color for a very low price. That looks pretty good. Now, these demos are designed to look good, but I'm excited, guys. I know you guys are very sick of hearing about it, but there's a lot of people in this community that are looking for value. And our community is very, it's diverse in terms of people wanting very high-end and also affordable. And, you know, bang for the buck is a beautiful thing, especially if there's no risk. And I mean no risk, guys. All the other ones, Walmart, Target, 30 days, 15 days, 90 days here because you're a member. Even said past 90 days, we'll work with you. If that price drops even further or goes back up in those 90 days, you're covered. So the Quantum XP series is back in the conversation. Also know that I'm considering the 77-inch LC OLED, LC C9, which obviously is near $7,000. So big difference in price. All right, guys, thank you as always. Take care.